Welcome to the Daily Mission Report. I'm Norman Kinsey, and let's go ahead and roll that intro, shall we? So welcome back. I'm Norman Lloyd Kinsey III. I'll be your host today. Happy Monday. And have you watched the Daily Mission Report before? If you haven't, the Daily Mission Report is designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips about specifically what you could do as a real estate professional utilizing strategy to grow and scale your business. So last week we were talking about what would happen if technology disrupted the real estate industry like Uber and Lyft did to the taxi industry. So what would happen? So let's deep dive into a little bit of what we think here at Liftoff Agent would happen and why this is a possibility. Let's bring you over on this screen now, shall we? All right, so we're here at Opendoor.com, and I mentioned this on Friday's Daily Mission Report video, and it's definitely a platform to look at because this is something that's happening currently in the marketplace that definitely is looking to disrupt the real estate industry. So New York Times, Forbes is all talking about this platform. 532,000 offers actually were requested within 60 seconds. And look at this. Look at, they're already talking about selling with their platform versus traditional. And they're talking about the ease. They're talking about the paperwork. They're talking about the skills and the repeat. And they're talking about basically the process to automate this to make it so much easier for individuals to go through a platform like this to make it super simple for them. And it has all the information that you need here at Opendoor.com. Now, Liftoff Agent, we have nothing to do with this company, nothing at all, and we don't even want to promote this company. We just want to put this in the forefront because this is something that's huge that we believe that you guys should take in consideration because this company is looking to innovate the world of real estate to make things automated because real estate agents are not always like technology. You can't program a real estate agent to do an ABC process every single time the exact same way. It just doesn't work that way. So with technology, you can make that happen. So if a real estate agent's late or a real estate agent forgets something as far as a signature on the documentation, they have to follow back up with that person. It's a pain. If the real estate professional doesn't have everything lined out on their website and they don't have resources for a home buyer or seller to use, then what does that do? That does not offer the ability for that person to be able to then be able to get everything at the fingertips. Quick, fast, easy, and simple. With a system like this, they can easily get what they need, super simple, on their website and make it so it's an ABC process and it's the same every single time. With real estate agents, it's not like that. So this is something to take into consideration. Think about your website, think about your resources, think about what you currently offer right now and what could you potentially do to be able to differentiate yourself, to set yourself up apart, to really focus on a strategy and an ideal customer in an ideal area and actually have videos or actually have downloadable PDFs for city guides and things that you could use to add value to your potential client. This could be something that could be huge and very valuable for you and your business, and Liftoff Agent wants to put this at the forefront for you to think about so you can have more massive success. In the world of real estate, it's not what you know, it's what you do not know. And Liftoff Agent wants to be at the forefront of helping you and supporting you and giving you the tools and the resources that you need so you know what you need to know to have more massive success. So we appreciate you tuning in today for today's Daily Mission Report. If you found value, please like and share the video with someone that you think that should see it. This is something that's very serious, and Liftoff Agents here to put you, the real estate professional, at the forefront of the change of technology and what's happening in the marketplace. We'll see you Wednesday. Norman Lloyd Kinsey III. Have a fantastic Monday and a week ahead, and we'll see you for the next Daily Mission Report.